I got to lock my car. What's that right here? Here. Oh. Here. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Alright, let's go down this slide. Let's go down this slide. It's a little dinky little slide. Huh. Come on up. Huh. Up. Come on up. Come on up. Come on up. Here. Up. Come on. I'm gonna get her to go down this slide without me. Here. Here. Diane. Diane. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. All right. I'm hoping that I got that on camera. You know? I had her go down the little slide by herself. I did. Yeah, I had to go down the little slide. I'm gonna see if I can get her to do it again. But this time I'm gonna put the phone in my hand so I can actually see her go down the slide. Come on, Diane. See if if I would get her used to it, I would take her off the leash. There you go. Good girl. Well, I can if I can get her trust. You know? Come on. I gotta put the camera up. Dog. Oh, that's why my camera's falling down. Come on. Come on. Oh. I am. Look at my camera. Here, help. Alright, let's get you up here. Not yet. Not yet. I didn't want you to go yet. She said, I'm going down now because I want that damn treat. Good girl. Alright. Now I'm trying to get her to go down the slide, you know, with me. Why do they keep on going back to that one? Because they have a double slide over here, you know? And it's like I'm trying to get her to go down that slide with me. Like, I go down to one side and she goes down the next, then I can record her, you know? Just give her something to do, you know? Come on, this way. Then we'll go put you in the car and then take you back to the shelter. It says 2 to 5 or 5 to 12, you know? Go up. Wait a minute. Hold your britches on. Come on, hon. Hold your britches on. You want what's in my hand. I didn't get it. The camera was up. Whatchamacallit. Gotta do it again. Come on. Oh. Come on. Come on. Oh. Right here. Diane, sit. Good girl. Good girl. Now she wants to play with the leash. Ow! Tim, you ran right in the back of me. Ow! Ow! Huh. Now I know why their leash is all chewed up. You know? Ow! You rough. You rough. Ah! We're gonna hang you from the monkey bars. Ow! She runs into you. And then she sits there and she tries to, like, as she's playing with the leash, she tries to get as close as she can up to your hands. Ow! Just bit me in the back of the leg. I remember this baseball field. This is where Nick was playing at one time. We had to come here while he played. You know? Like, I noticed that when she's actually, like, she hasn't peed or pooped yet, but I noticed that when she is, like, pretty much when she tired herself out, she's not really pooling. But and that's what's actually wearing her out. Like, that's what's wearing her, because what it is she's pooling. So you got that collar around her neck. So imagine a collar around your neck and it's hot out. So when you're sitting there and you're pooling with everything that you got, you're going to get, you know, worn out than what you are if you were just walking at a normal pace. You know? And like, that's why I said, like, if I can get her, I can't guarantee it, but if I can get her again next weekend, like, I like to work with her some more with her pooling. Because apparently, if people are walking her, you know, they're not really, they're not really, like, working with her pooling. They're just letting her do it. And, like, you know, you want her to walk, you know, with, like, you want her to walk, and you want her to, like, pretty much, like, walk with you and not, you know, pulling against you. Like, there's times where you got that other part of the leash where you got, like, that handle down there, and I'll just, you know, I'll back it up that way to where, like, she doesn't have all that free. Hey, stop. Stop. The pulling. No bull. Huh? I mean, it's like, if she gets a scent, stop. Hey. And it's like, if she gets a scent, you know, stop with the pulling. And it's like, if she gets the scent, you know, she just wants to sit there and, like, and pull you. You know, stop. I'm gonna shorten you up. And it's like, you know, she wants to, like, sit there, and she wants to, you know, constantly, like, you know, she gets in her mood to where she, you know, where she wants to literally pull you. You know? And it's like, she needs that, you know, stop. And, like, you gotta, like, show her, like, you know, who has control. You know, like, right now, she's like, she has control of you. You know? But that's what it is. It's like, nobody's giving her that lesson. You know? Sit. 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 Park it. Sit. There. There's your water. There. 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 I'm not gonna hold it. You dumb. I'm not gonna hold it.